Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here and rocking with your girl. I definitely appreciate it. And if you are new, where have you been? On this channel, I do wig reviews, clothing hauls, black love, and some travel vlogs. So if you like this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And today I am giving you guys a headband wig. I'm not sure what's going on with this headband wig. Maybe I'm like not in somebody's group chat. It's cool, I still love y'all, but yeah, I don't know what's going on. During COVID I did a head scarf haul, so if you haven't, make sure you guys check that out. It's a head scarf tutorial, so make sure you guys check that out when you are done watching this video. And I'm going to give you some quick slayage on these headband wigs. It's super easy, quick, fun, straight to the point. And I'm going to be doing some Q&A throughout the video. And I had a special announcement for you guys. I'm doing my first giveaway. Yes, that's right. I'm in the giving spirits. So I'm going to be giving one lucky person $40 and the winner will be announced on my birthday. Yes. So I hope you have Zelle or Venmo. I'm not downloading Cash App. I heard they was like hacking people's accounts and stuff, so I'm not doing that. So I can do Zelle or Venmo. If you would like to participate, make sure you guys watch the video so I can give you all the deets, okay? Okay, so today I'm rocking, it's Outre's, it's a quick weave, 60 seconds literally, new half wig cap, lace flat, in the style Lyndi in the color 1B. This is what the card looks like. This is what the back of the card looks like. And it does come in a bunch of other colors. It's high tech, heat safe up to 400 degrees, heat resistant fiber, all that good stuff. And I ordered this unit from Sam's Beauty. It was on their website for $17.99 and I believe shipping was like $5. So if you don't mind like an extra couple days, typically I order from Wig Types because it gets here the next day, but I don't want to pay that $10 in shipping for just one item. I was cool with paying $5. So I'm going to be answering some Q&A while I am trying on these headbands. This unit does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps back here as well, so that's a plus. Honestly, you guys, shout out to my girl Shandism. If you do not follow her, make sure you guys check her out. I will put a link of her channel below, but she is a fellow YouTuber and it's always nice to have some like fellow YouTubers in your circle. I really do like her, and she's been giving me some like motivation and just, you know, just bringing me back to life. So if you are not familiar with her, make sure you guys check her out. Okay. So this is what it looks like fresh out the package. Okay, so typically when I'm trying on wigs, I usually fast forward through this part of the process, but today we're going to have a little chit chat and I'm just going to go step by step through each headband and what I do, and I'm going to answer some Q&A. I had posted on my social media to give me some questions if anyone had any, and my girl Shandism came through with the questions. So as I'm throwing the units on, I'm going to answer them. Okay, so the first question is, who is your favorite artist? Honestly, I really don't have a favorite artist. Okay, this is cute, but I think this needs to be pulled back a little. There we go. I don't really have a favorite artist. I can tell you who is in my Spotify likes. I have some Beyonce in there, Janine Aiko, Summer Walker. Did I say Beyonce? Beyonce. Nicki Minaj. This is headband number 1. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I do like all types of music though. Okay, next question is, what do you like to cook? Truthfully, I do not like to cook at all. I literally just do it for my husband, and because I'm a little bougie with taste bugs, I don't like eating the same things every day. I can't like meal prep and for the week. That's just, I don't know. I'm not a big leftovers person, so I can only do leftovers the next day, but after that, I can't. I mainly cook keto meals for us too, but I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of cooking. I guess my favorite meal to cook is like seafood because it's quick and easy. I really do enjoy that. So I'll say the seafood boils. If you haven't, make sure you check out some of my mukbangs for those. Okay. So I do have 2 more colors in this set. It comes with like a tan and a black. And the original one, actually this is pink. Tan, pink, black, and I am wearing the white one. So the next question is, what is your dream job? My dream job would be, I would say, to be on air. That is what I went to school for. That's what I have a passion in. But, you know, I'm kind of creating that for myself by being here on this platform. But I do work in media, so... And it's in the industry that I would like to be in, so that's a plus. Alright, so we're going to put this little bad boy in a ponytail. Let's do low pony. My ring didn't fell off. I ain't getting it. Alright. And for the record, putting these headbands on and off is messing up my freaking edges. I don't feel like fixing them every single time. So if they look a little rough on camera, I apologize, but they look cute in person. Okay. So this is a low pony. And then we're going to do a high ponytail. Okay. Yes. So the next question is, where did you grow up? So I was born and raised in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. That's where I'm from, Steel City. And Pittsburgh is such a black and white city. I mean, at least it was 5 years ago. I feel like it's starting to get a little bit more diverse. But when I moved to New Jersey, I was literally in culture shock. Everyone was like Dominican, Puerto Rican, Hispanic, like some type of N. And I'm like, I'm just black. That's literally what I would just tell people, I'm black. But I did realize later on that I had I did have some Haitian in my family. I don't really know too much about it. And some Cherokee Indian, as do all black people. But yeah, so I think I guess I could do like one of those ancestries, like the African ancestry, just to see like where my roots are buried deep. I know that I have some Creole in my family and some French. And according to my dad's side, they said we weren't slaves, but I don't really know too much about my mom's side, so I don't really know. But yeah, I grew up from Pittsburgh. I grew up in Pittsburgh, and I'm a Yinzer person. I like to say yins. Like, no, I don't. I do say y'all though. And us Pittsburghers, we eat French fries on everything, salad, steaks, sandwiches. Well, not sandwiches, I would say steaks. Like that's like the thing for us. We have like, we're known for like pierogies and our football team Steelers. And what else? I guess sauerkraut. I don't know. I'm not a huge sauerkraut fan, but sauerkraut, French fries on salads and hoagies and pierogies and Heinz ketchup. Yes. And Wiz Khalifa. Black and yellow. Black and yellow. This is cute. Okay. And excuse my little nappy naps back here. I didn't get them because I wasn't planning on showing them today, but I guess I am. The next question is, who inspires you? I don't know. Like, of course my mother inspires me. Oh, yes. Now that was by accident. Yes, that is cute. course my mom inspires me. My mom accomplished so much when I was you know, when I was like grown up. While I was in high school, she got 2 master's degrees, one in healthcare management and I think an MBA in business management. So what was I about to do? Oh, so yeah, I don't know, I've always looked up to her, of course, because she's my mother, but just her as a person, like she's giving, she's caring, she's nice. Like sometimes she's too nice, and I always yell at her about that, because the second someone gets smart with my mom or does something, you know, I'm popping off. I don't care who you are, I'm going off. But yeah, I would definitely say my mother inspires me. And as far as health and fitness, I would say my husband, because he has been dedicated to his keto journey. He lost 57 pounds, and I just admire his commitment, because we both started at the same time, but I started to disappear. I'm like, bro, like I'm disappearing. What's going on? And then I gained some of the weight back, and now I'm like, okay, I want to half do it, but like not the sugar part of it, you know. I just want some french fries. That's all I want. That's all I'm asking for is some french fries. But yeah, my husband inspires me as well. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, in the past when I've gotten half a wigs, I didn't do all this. I would literally just put the wig on and keep it moving. This is cute though. So shout out to these other YouTuber baes for bringing some, you know, awareness to these headband wigs. And the fact that we could be versatile while doing this. So this is cute. Also, for the record, in regards to like the whole dream job thing, I graduated school like 5-6 years ago. I think 5, I can't remember. But it took me 5 years to finally get a job in my field. So I just want to throw that out there, that, you know, behind social media, things always look nice in someone's eyes. Like people always think your life is so perfect or whatever. But y'all, I was jobless for like 1.5 years, maybe 2 years. And I was doing a lot of temp work, and yeah, so I would definitely say the power of prayer helped a lot. I was, you know, at the time before pre-COVID, I was going to church heavy. I was involved in the media ministry there, and I just wanted to learn as much as I could about media and just basically getting back out there. Because when you get a job in the field, they always want people with experience. So if you're going to school, I would definitely say make sure you are doing internships or learning as much as you can while you are on campus. That counts as experience, and having a portfolio when you graduate. That was the mistake I made. I did shoot around campus, you know, I did like reports and things like that, but I didn't keep the footage. So that was my mistake. But yes, everyone's journeys aren't always super easy, so just keep that in mind before you're judging people behind social media or wanting their life. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment below Libra Gang in the comments. Type in Libra Gang, G-A-N-G, Libra, L-I-B-R-A, you know, Libra Gang. And October 4th will be the last day to enter. And if you want extra bonus entries, give me a shout out on Instagram and tag me and put Libra Gang in the post, or, you know, on your story or whatever. And that's pretty much it. I will be Venmoing somebody $40. So if you have Zelle or Venmo, I'm not doing Cash App. And that's pretty much it. May the odds forever be in your favor. So I have so many more headbands that came with my purchase. I'm going to put the links to everything that was in this video down below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.